I'm Jane Buckley. I'm Site Director for McCormick Peterborough. What I love about working for McCormick is they care about their people and the community in which they live.
Hi, my name's Saj. I'm the technical operator here at the Peterborough site at McCormick. In my 20 years of experience in the manufacturing industry, there's been a lot of talks about diversity. Mainly that was a small percentage on the shop floor, but my time at McCormick has really opened my eyes. Diversity I've seen from senior management to the shop floor. See, diversity isn't just about skin colour, it's about the race, religion, history and the culture.
I'm Dale, I'm the reliability lead for McCormick in Peterborough. The opportunity to create something fresh, the opportunity to be part of a team and the opportunity to advance my career further.
Hi, I'm Nikki, QA Manager for Peterborough. Working for McCormick has been the best experience I've ever had in my career. The opportunities are endless for training and development. We all care about each other, we all come to work and do the best we can every day.
Hello, my name is Nikos and I work as a process engineer for McCormick Peterborough. The two things that I love about working at McCormick is its energizing culture and people. Teams work together not only to get the job done, but empower each other and also form meaningful connections at the same time.
Hi, I'm Janeel. I'm a process engineer at McCormick. Be prepared, be positive, and most importantly, be yourself.
Be prepared to be part of a team, be prepared to change the norm, and try and understand that this is more than a factory. This is the way of life and the way we're going to be going forward, and smile with meaning, and always make sure you're here to win.
Be yourself, because that would be the best way to bring your best self forward and also be able to evaluate whether McCormick is the right fit for you.
If you'd like to join the future of flavours, come and join us.